Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you one project that is underwater image enhancement using Python. So let's open the project folder and first will be dataset folder. Those are the testing training images. Click on the training, then it will open those images. Around 800 images are there for the training purpose. We have trained model from that particular images. Let's open one. Those are the training images. We have to enhance any blur image and we have trained model from those images. Let's go back. Now those are testing images and those are the validation. Let's go back and this will be the interface part, home.png image, placeholder and the start button. Let's close. Now this will be the Python code, underwater image enhancement. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries like import warning, globe, decanter. Decanter is used for developing the graphical user interface. Hello library, datetime, random, math, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, OpenCV, scikit image, TensorFlow, Keras. We are defining the main frame that will destroy the home frame, plot the graph, a placeholder, browse button, reprocessing button, white balance button, histogram equalization button, gamma correction button, preprocessing image, create format dataset, analysis button, and the interface part. Okay, left frame, right frame, up left frame, down left frame, and those are the buttons like input image button, reprocessing, white balance, histogram equalization, gamma correction, CNN, analysis, and it will show the mean square loss, accuracy of the CNN, MSC, and PSNR. Okay, this will be the home root.geometry. It will show the geometry 1250 into 700, and this will be title underwater image enhancement. It will show the home.png image from the GUI images folder and the start button. Root.main loop. Let's close. Now run this project. Open terminal here and then write Python space underwater image enhancement .py. Then it will open the loading page. Let's click on the start. We have to give the input image from dataset and output white balance images, histogram equalization images, gamma correction image, and an analysis result. Let's click on start. Let's click on the input image. We have to provide input image from dataset. Let's provide that particular image. Then click on pre-processing, white balance, histogram equalization, CNN. CNN will take time because in the background it is working with loading the model and give the output. And in the final, it will show the analysis part. You can also check the background. It's training the model. Epoch 1, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Okay, now it got trained. So it will show the value mean square error loss is 0.20, and accuracy of the CNN is 92.44. Then click on Analyze Part. So it will show the enhanced image. This will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. If you have such entire project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the complete project list for engineering student. And we are working on multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. This is our WhatsApp number. You can contact us on WhatsApp as well. And those are the project list. If you click on any of the project, then it will open the YouTube video. So let's click on that particular project title and it will play the YouTube video. Let's fast forward. And those are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries. Let's go back. Let's select any other project. Let's click on that particular project. Then it will give the complete information about project and the YouTube video. Hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domain. Let's go back. So let's scroll down. So we have completed right now 398 projects and many more projects we have completed but not updated that particular list. But I will share the updated list with you on WhatsApp. Okay, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp to this number. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.